Okay, this video is the bottom of a Whirlpool Duet washing machine. I thought I would make a video so that people can see more easily because I have it tilted on its side right now. This is to replace the pump, and it's actually pretty easy. This whole assembly you can purchase as one, and I'd recommend doing it that way. And it's an easy DIY job. Normally you'd have to just go on the back and undo the back and access it that way, but this way you can just kind of see what you need to do. So I've already loosened it, but you just take off the hose, you unplug that one clip, and then you undo these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the whole thing will come off. Okay, I now have the 4 bolts undone. I have it disconnected. And now, just like that, simple. And then you put the new one back in the same way. Hope that helps someone.